Hello everyone. She is an assistant vice president in a software company. She is the mother of two daughters aged 22 years and 14 years. She takes care of her office as efficiently as she takes care of the house. She is a very good badminton player and she is our VG, Mrs. India Fitness second runner-up, Jhankana Bhatt. Let us talk to Jhankana. Hi Jhankana, how are you?
Hi ma'am, I'm very fine. How are you?
आई एम गुड. मैंने सुना आपको अभी कोविड हुआ था थोड़े दिन पहले, सो हाउ आर यू फीलिंग नाउ?
Now I'm totally fit and fine, back to my routines. Yeah, but it was a terrible experience, I would say. And God help or God forbid, nobody comes under this COVID or
Right,
have Corona.
right. And very sorry to hear that you lost your father-in-law in that. So it's really
Yes.
sad uh, because so many people do not understand what this COVID is actually. So you want to say something about that?
Yeah, I would actually put it in a way like having corona. See, I mean, even I used to take a lot of precautions. I took all the measurements of, having, taking up, keeping social distancing and, putting the mask on 24/7 whenever I go out.
Hmm.
So I took all the preventions, all the measurements, but still, if due to any circumstance, if it happens to you, then only one thing which saves you is your willpower. So you go through a lot of physical changes, like a lot of
Yes.
you have fever, you have nausea, and you have headaches. So there are different signs which comes up in individual bodies.
Hmm.
But I think if you have a strong willpower, you can sail through this. So
Okay.
yeah, just think positive, have good willpower, and I think it'll be all.
यस दैट इज़ वेरी मच इम्पॉर्टेंट बिकॉज एक डर भी हो जाता है ना अंदर से कि भाई आपको कोरोना हो गया, सो
Exactly.
दैट इज
And
समथिंग.
there are a lot of right, ma'am. There are a lot of rumors which comes up.
हाँ हाँ.
So you always fell to those rumors, and it gives you some negativity.
Hmm.
But yeah, you have read some good things, and I think you come across.
चलो, thank God you came out of it. So really great to see you again. Okay, so I would like to ask you few questions regarding the
Okay.
pageant, regarding your life, right? So first thing I would like to ask you, why did you participate? What motivated you to participate in the pageant?
Um, See, like every girl's dream, I too had a dream of participating in some beauty contest, or walking down the ramp, or seeing myself in that frame of good models and all that stuff. So that was always in the back of my mind. But
Hmm.
nevertheless, you never get an opportunity once you are out of the certain age. So this was always at the back of the thoughts, and as you move up, as you grow up mature, you get a lot of responsibilities, and you are totally into it. So when I saw, in the website, and when some of the officials I got connected with them, so I thought this is a wonderful opportunity to explore myself, and to try something new, to take up a different step which you
Right.
in a professional world can never think of or can never imagine that, okay,
Yes.
you can do this. So I think it was just to have a try, or to experiment
बिकॉज
ourselves.
सी फ्यू लेडीज थिंक कि अभी हम जॉब करते हैं तो ये हमें सूट नहीं करेगा. ऐसी भी
Exactly,
लेडीज
I
होती
would.
हैं. हाँ, तो आप उनके बारे में क्या
Exactly.
कहना चाहोगे जो इस तरीके से सोचते हैं कि ये हमारे स्टेटस का नहीं है, या हमें हम ऑलरेडी एक अच्छा करियर है हमारे पास, तो वी डोंट हैव टू लुक फॉरवर्ड, वी डोंट वांट एनीथिंग न्यू, सो व्हाट डू यू वांट टू से अबाउट देम?
I would say world is full of beautiful opportunities there. We should not have only one direction to follow. There should be multiple things which we can do, which we women can do.
राइट.
So don't get confined in one thing. Try to explore. Try to take up beautiful roads which are there, which the life has laid up with you. And
Yes.
beauty contest is, every girl's dream, whether you accept it or you don't.
Yeah.
बट कहीं ना कहीं अंदर तो होता है कि
होता
यार
है, हाँ.
मैं कुछ मेरे आगे भी मिसेस इंडिया लग जाए मेरे
That
आगे
is
भी
why, see,
मिसेस
that is
वर्ल्ड
why
लग
you
जाए
look into the mirror. That is why you look into the mirror.
एग्जैक्टली
That is why you
बिल्कुल सही
do the makeup, because you want to look good.
एग्जैक्टली
So why
राइट
don't explore yourself more,
बिल्कुल सही
right?
एग्जैक्टली
So
एग्जैक्टली
what
राइट
was your experience on the ramp?
So experience on the ramp was too too exciting, was too wonderful, and it was out of the blue, I would say, because I never thought, I never imagined myself walking down the ramps, and I still get the goosebumps here.
Okay.
So walking with all the beautiful girls, and I think it was a wonderful experience. I thoroughly enjoyed those moments actually.
So when your name was announced, what was your feeling at that time?
To frankly, say I never thought I would be announced as one of the winners because there were multiple talented ladies out there, and they were beautiful. They were in and out beautiful. I'm not only talking about the outer appearance, but they were in and out beautiful. And the talent rounds which we had,
Yes.
they were all marvelous. So,
Right.
I, because of my profession, I was not able to put myself into the talent round where I wanted to get more eyeballs, but I couldn't go through.
Uh-huh.
So, yeah, I was, feeling when all of the winners' names were announced. So at that time, I thought, "Jankna gaya ab to." But then it came as a surprise, like, oh
Okay.
yeah, I'm in now. I'm still in competition.
No,
It
no.
was
So
beautiful. I mean,
your talent was also beautiful. See, the talent round is meant to be like a Sangeet party, right?
right,
You have to do anything you can do, and you have to enjoy that moment. And you all of you
exactly.
enjoyed exceptionally. Like you all enjoyed very goodly. Like it was really nice.
Bilkul, bilkul.
So
100%.
yeah. So I would like to ask you, what did you learn during the pageant?
See, as I said, that we were in the group of the beautiful ladies, and they were having a lot of talents, which we thoroughly saw. They were having a bunches of manners,
Hmm.
when you speak with one another. So basically, when you go through this type of pageants, you adapt to the changes. So there are you need to take a quick decisions on what you need to do next, what is the next step you need to do. So I think you learn those to adapt those changes. You learn to get more creativity. So you see a lot of creativity happening around you.
Hmm.
During those talent rounds, people especially made those, uh, you know, they made the dresses themselves and they came thoroughly prepared. So I think those are the creativity which you learn up, that you learn to adapt to the changes. And I think these are the new skills which actually make you more grow and make you more confident.
बिकॉज ड्यूरिंग ट्रेडिशनल राउंड आई सॉ दैट हम अपने बच्चों के लिए बना रहे होते हैं कपड़े
Right.
फैंसी ड्रेस कंपटीशन के लिए अपने बच्चों के लिए बना रहे हैं, एंड दिस टाइम यू ऑल वर मेकिंग फॉर योर सेल्फ,
Exactly.
and that too it
Exactly.
has to be shown in a different way. So yes, this way
Right.
सबका अलग अलग टैलेंट नजर आया कि कौन क्या कर सकता है.
सही है। अभी तक कैसा है कि अभी तक दूसरों के लिए क्या, फैमिली के लिए क्या, बच्चों
हाँ.
के लिए क्या,
हाँ.
आई थिंक फर्स्ट टाइम था कि हम सब अपने लिए काम कर रहे हैं, वी आर वर्किंग
हाँ.
फॉर आवर सेल्फ, वी आर
राइट.
वर्किंग ऑन आवर ओन, सो
राइट.
दैट वाज रियली गुड, learn to spend some good time for you too.
राइट. राइट. जब आप रैंप पर वॉक कर रहे थे, तो आपको क्या फील हो रहा था? जब आप स्टेज पर चढ़ने वाले थे, तो आपको क्या फील हो रहा था?
Right. So, there were this audience, there were the judges, the esteemed judges, yourself, the experienced persons, Diana Hayden, all the esteemed judges were there. So when you walk up the ramp, you feel a little bit of nervousness. So See, if I won't say that I wasn't nervous, that would be false. I was nervous to a point, to an unassumed, situations. But I would also say at the same time that there was this training which was given by the team, by VG Mrs. India team. So we were prepared. To an extent, we were prepared how to take ourselves up, how to present ourselves, and how to be ready, how to walk, how to sit with an posture. So those training really help you to put down your feet with confidence in the stage. But yeah, thoroughly as a first time, I was, little bit of nervous on that.
Okay.
So
So
it was a mixture of
now you are
something.
using those learnings in your daily life. You still wear heels, or like अभी भी आप कुछ चीज़ें उसमें से फॉलो करते हैं, या कुछ चीज़ें ऑलरेडी दिमाग में बैठ चुकी कि हमें ऐसे ही बैठना है, या हमें ऐसे ही बात करनी है? कुछ चीज़ें ऐसी हैं जो बैठ गई हैं अंदर.
100%, 100% चीजें अच्छी चीजें सब बैठी है. See, prior to, I'll just give you an example. Prior to the professional meetings, we sit very casually. I mean, I'm little bit a tomboyish type of a person. So I sit very casual. I really don't care that who's on the opposite side. But when the training was given to us, it was always given up. One beautiful sentence was said that it is the lady posture.
Okay.
So how a lady sits, so that should be embarked in our field. So I think now I have changed. So I do sit like a lady.
Okay. So you are getting more
yes, I think
compliments. Are you getting more compliments now?
Yeah, of course I do get. I occasionally get. I don't usually get it, but occasionally, when it gets noticed. So, yeah, कई बार टॉन्ट में भी मिल जाता है सुनने को.
ये तो मिसेस इंडिया है, ये तो ऐसे ही करेंगी, राइट?
हाँ, वो टॉन्ट में भी सुनने को मिल जाता है.
हाँ.
और कई बार एप्रिशिएशन में मिल जाता है. और कई बार क्रिटिक्स में मिल जाता है हस्बैंड की तरफ से.
अच्छा. But the most important thing is, yes, you enjoyed every moment.
100%. That was beautiful moments. I mean, a lady, a girl would never forget that.
Okay, I would like to ask you one thing. आप ऑलरेडी करियर वुमन है, पर ऐसी बहुत सारी लेडीज है जो बोलती है अरे ये तो करियर वुमन है, इन्होंने कर लिया, हम तो हाउसवाइफ हैं, हम कैसे कर पाएंगे? उनके लिए आप क्या कहना चाहोगे?
एक चीज है कि कैरियर डेफिनेटली बहुत कुछ होता है. When you want to achieve something what you have dreamt of is something you feel. I think एक चीज होनी चाहिए कि कभी भी ऐसे बैठ के रिलैक्स मत करो कि मैंने सब कुछ कर लिया. I have achieved, now I don't want to get anything. I think even जो always keep learning. I would say always just keep learning. नेवर टू एन एंड कि मेरा कैरियर हो गया या मैं वीपी बन गई या मैं डायरेक्टर बन गई या मैं डॉक्टर बन गई
या मैं हाउसवाइफ हूँ, मुझे अब कुछ नहीं करना, मैं कुछ नहीं कर सकती.
एग्जैक्टली, व्हाई नॉट? आई मीन just learn new things, just explore, just be positive and be adventurous. I would say अगर आप एडवेंचरस रहते हैं तो लाइफ में एक स्पाइसीनेस रहता है, नहीं तो लाइफ डल हो जाता है. सो आई वुड से जस्ट ट्राई न्यू थिंग्स, करते रहो. I'll also participate next.
Very nice. You just come to us again.
I'd love to.
So what message would you like to give to the women in general, all the women?
To all the women, never give up, stay confident, and these are just not words. Never give up is not only in careers, but घर में भी कई छोटी छोटी चीजें ऐसी होती हैं कि जब हम थक जाते हैं तो वो थको मत, आगे बढ़ते रहिए और आप अपने लिए कुछ करिए.
और ये मत सोचिए कि इनके लिए बोलना आसान है. ये मैं बहुत अच्छे तरीके से लेडीज को बताना चाहती हूँ कि हर लेडी किसी न किसी तरीके की प्रॉब्लम से गुजर रही होती है. ये मैं बार बार कहती हूँ कि हर लेडी, आपको मैं दिख रही हूँ, ये किसी प्रॉब्लम से नहीं गुजर रही होंगी. झंकना दिख रही है, ये किसी प्रॉब्लम से नहीं गुजर रही होंगी. XYZ कोई भी लेडी आप बोलो कि वो इंदिरा गांधी, उनको कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं हुई होगी, तो ऐसी बात नहीं है, उनको भी प्रॉब्लम हुई होगी. जितनी भी लेडीज हैं सबको, कोई नॉट इवन लेडीज, सी जेंट्स ऑल्सो, people in general, everyone goes through some sort of problem and they take care of their problem by themselves. कोई ज़रूरी नहीं कि वो आपको अपनी प्रॉब्लम बताएं, तभी आपको समझ में आएगा कि हाँ अच्छा ये इस प्रॉब्लम से भी गुजरी थी. तो हर कोई प्रॉब्लम से गुजरता है, वो किस तरीके से निकलता है वो उसकी अपनी जिम्मेदारी है. तो आप अपनी प्रॉब्लम से कैसे निकलती है ये आपकी अपनी जिम्मेदारी है. दैट डिपेंड्स ऑन यू. निकल जाओगे तो बहुत अच्छी बात है, नहीं निकल पाओगे तो आप वहीं फंस के रह जाओगे. जो निकल जाता है, हाँ जो निकल जाता है उसको मंजिल मिल जाती है.
सही है. और वो कहते हैं ना मैम कि आप रोगे तो आपके साथ कोई रोने वाला नहीं है.
हाँ.
मगर आप हंसोगे तो पूरी दुनिया आपके साथ खड़ी होके
हंसेगी.
तो आई थिंक
और फिर वो वक्त भी आएगा जब आप अपनी परेशानी लोगों को बताओगे तो लोग आपसे रिलेट कर पाएंगे. वो वक्त भी आएगा. तो उस वक्त का इंतजार कीजिए कि, और अपने आप को उस जगह पे पहुंचाइए कि आप बता सके लोगों की, आप इस लेवल पर तो हो कि आप लोगों को बता सके कि यस यू ऑल्सो वेंट थ्रू सम सॉर्ट ऑफ प्रॉब्लम. आप दूसरों लोगों के लिए इंस्पिरेशन बन सके. सो झंकना, आई वुड टेल यू कि यू आर द इंस्पिरेशन फॉर सो मेनी लेडीज, बिकॉज करोड़ों लेडीज में कुछ लेडीज ऐसी होती है जो अपने लिए आगे कदम बढ़ाती हैं. एंड यू हैव डन दैट.
थैंक यू सो मच.
यस. So yes, one thing more. What do you have to say about Visionara Global Mrs. India pageant? About our pageant, about your pageant.
Sure, ma'am. I would first start with a big thank to you yourself, because when I, in general, when I was actually trying to take up participation in VG Mrs. India platform, I had a word with you and you gave me that confidence about that even you can do. There's always a hitch. Maybe it is not about how do I participate, but it would be now, would I win? What if I don't win? So it is something you said कि जीतना जरूरी नहीं है, आपका पार्टिसिपेशन करना जरूरी है. आप अपने आप को एक्सप्लोर करिए. सो आई स्टिल रिमेम्बर व्हेन आई फर्स्ट मेट यू ओवर हियर इन अहमदाबाद इटसेल्फ व्हेन यू केम डाउन. सो वो एक चीज होती है अंदर की, मैम दिस इज नॉट माय फील्ड, और आई डोंट नो हाउ टू वॉक द रैम्प्स एंड ऑल दैट स्टफ. माय वेस्ट इज दिस मच, और आई एम नॉट सो मच फिट एंड so those are the things which come across when you try to go for any beauty platforms. So I think VG Mrs. India stand apart. It is not focusing on the appearances of the woman. It is actually focusing on the beauty of the woman, which is both internally and externally.
Right.
So VG Mrs. India actually gives you a platform कि आप आइए, आप सीखिए, आप अपने आप को explore करिए, और just gain the experience. I mean, this is an opportunity. Come down and have some good fun, learn of the beautiful things over here, and be the queen. So I would say if you earn it, you will become the queen. Otherwise, you always get the experiences.
Yes.
So yeah, I always hope I always give the best wishes to VG Mrs. India that gain more publicity and just move up ahead.
Thank you so much. Yes, that's what I would like to say, that we want you to participate because we want you to change yourself. We want you to transform yourself. And that is how you will do it. अगर आप चाहोगे तो आप बदलोगे, नहीं चाहोगे तो आपको कोई नहीं बदल सकता.
वो अंदर से एक आना चाहिए कि हाँ मुझे कुछ करना है. फिर प्लेटफॉर्म है आपके पास. अगर आपको कुछ करना ही नहीं है, आपको खिड़कियां ही अपनी बंद रखनी है, तो फिर तो दुनिया में कोई भी आदमी आपको बाहर नहीं खींच सकता.
बिल्कुल. All over world, see in India also I will say there are so many stations when you go by train. अगर आप स्टेशन पे उतरोगे नहीं तो आपको पता नहीं चलेगा वहाँ की खासियत क्या है.
सही बात है.
Few people are like they go to Delhi to Bombay, Delhi to Bombay, Bombay to Delhi. That's it. They do not see here and there. So nearby there are so many places where you have to go, where you have to see what the other things are.
Right.
So yes, we invite all of you to the pageant, and I would like you to invite all the ladies.
Sure, ma'am, and definitely pass on the messages, these lovely messages, to all my beautiful friends out there.
Yes.
and we'll see more participants from Gujarat as well.
Yeah, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Yeah, it
Thank you,
was very
ma'am.
nice
Thank you for
talking to
calling
you,
us.
Jankana, and we'll be in touch. Thank you.
Thank you, sure, ma'am. And thanks for this opportunity to get connected with you again over here.